Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So you might have seen the new privacy features in iOS 14. One of the main eye-catching feature is that the phone displays a green dot or an orange dot on the top corner of your iOS device whenever any app on your phone is using either your camera or your microphone. This feature helps increase the privacy of the users by a lot, and it also helps to notify which apps are using your camera or microphone in the background. But unfortunately, there is no such feature for Android right now, not even in the upcoming Android 11 developer beta. But this app which I am going to show you brings the same exact functionality and ports it from iOS 14 into any Android device running Android 7. Well, this app is called Access Dots. A link will be given in the description to download it. So all you have to do is download this app from the Google Play Store and then launch it. Then toggle this main button that you see on the screen. Now, if you are on any device other than a Samsung, it will take you straight to the settings page, and then you just have to click on the app's name, which is Access Dots, and then click grant the permission and then accept. For Samsung devices, you'll first have to find and tap a line labeled installed services and then tap on Access Dots line before you will find the toggle to authorize it. Once done, this is effectively all you need to do in order for this app to work perfectly in the background. From this point forward, anytime an app is using your camera, you'll see a little green dot on the top right hand corner of your screen. Anytime something is listening in on your microphone, you'll see an orange dot in that same spot. Now, giving the Android accessibility service to this app may sound a little scary on the surface, but it is simply what's required in order for this app to detect when different device sensors are being used and thus be able to do so what this app is doing. If you're not still convinced, note that this app Access Dots does not request any other permission, including the ability to access your camera or microphone or even the internet, so it couldn't collect all your data and send them to an online server or something. You can really boost your privacy by just installing this simple light app and take one step further towards a safer digital future. Well, that's it for this video guys. I hope this short video was beneficial for you. If it was, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, as I'll bring such more tips to the channel very soon. I'll see you guys in the next video, but until then, I'm Techie Rannjodh and I'm signing out. Peace from the Northeast.